I'm going to show you how to form a team for the Highmark Walk for a Healthy Community coming up on June 3rd. So first, you're going to want to make sure you're on our home page. You'll know you're on the home page because it says Meals on Wheels of the Greater Lehigh Valley, and our logo is right below. So you'll see these 4 blue buttons here. You're going to want to click the second one and it says click here to form a team. So it's going to ask you if you participated in the walk before. I would recommend saying no, just because it's been quite a while since we've done the walk, and it just makes the process a little bit easier. So I would click no. It's going to ask you for a team name and a team fundraising goal. So come up with a team name. I just have a random one here. And then I'm just going to keep it at 1,000, but you can change it to whatever you want it to be. So you're going to click next step. You're going to put walker, and then you're going to set a fundraising goal. And then you can choose to donate today. You don't have to, but I'm just going to put $10 in here. So then you're going to go through the prompts here and you're going to fill out all of your information. Once you've filled in all your information, you're going to go down here and you're going to click next step. So then you'll see this waiver here. So just read that over. And once you've read it over, you're going to click this little box in the corner that says I agree with the terms and conditions above. Then you'll click next step. Review your information, make sure it's all correct. Once you've done that, you're going to click complete registration. Now, if you've chosen to donate, it's going to take you to a payment page. If not, you'll just complete your registration there. You can also register another person. So I'll click complete registration, and then you can enter in all of your payment details. And once you're done with that, you'll click process payment, and then you are registered and your team is solidified.